I think I'm the one of the most traumatic case ever, because I got an accident in 2007 and my 3 or 4 fake legs from that time. And I had an orthodontic treatment first, and then I have a prosthesis right now. So it was so long, and it has been going almost 3 years now, and now it's over. Oh, absolutely yes. So I had no teeth, I had no front teeth, and now you can see my smile, and it feels so well that I can smile 13 years later now, and it also contributes to my self-confidence as well. It feels like my second home now, so I'm commuting a lot, and everyone here is so lovely. And except for anyone and anything, my dentist, we had so, I think, strong relationship ever that any patient could have ever imagined. So I'm really happy that I found you, because otherwise it won't be so good. Of course, like I'm starting now, and I do a lot about recommending you, because I think you're not getting what you deserve right now. So I'm doing my best, and I'll do my best to recommend you everyone and anyone I met.